Welcome back. You are now looking at cloudberrylab.com, and Cloudberry Lab has products that you can use in order to interface with Amazon S3. In particular, if you go to cloudberrylab.com and you go to the products menu and you click that button, you'll notice that Cloudberry has Cloudberry Explorer for Amazon S3. And you can open that Explorer by clicking this link. Now, there are more features inside of the Pro version than there are in the free version, but you will be able to upload to your Amazon S3 account as well as to be able to create links by using the free version. So to get the free version, you'll click the download button, and you'll then give Cloudberry an email address that you'll want to have associated with this download. Now what you can do is you can use the freeware edition. You can then click next. And now if you don't have an activation code, you'll need to click this link. You'll need to put in your email address and then click start freeware. You'll then need to go to this drop down menu. You'll click new storage account. You'll select Amazon S3. You'll double click, and then you'll have a dialog box open to you. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to go inside of your Amazon S3. You'll want to create an access key and a secret key, and you'll probably want to create a separate IM user. So we will create a user for Cloudberry Labs. In this case, when we create the user, we're going to create programmatic access. We're then going to click permissions. Once we do that, we'll then search for S3 full access. We'll then click the button and then click create group. We'll then click next review, and then we'll click create user. Now we'll take the access key information as well as the secret access key information, and we'll place this inside of Cloudberry Labs. Once we connect, we'll then click add, and then we'll click close. We'll then go into our drop down menu, and then we'll select the user that we just created, and we'll then have access to the directory that we have been placing our content in. And now what we can do is we can use Cloudberry Server as an interface. So for example, if we want to drag and drop a file into our Amazon S3, all we'll need to do is we'll need to use Cloudberry Server in order to do that. That means then that we can find a file on our hard drive. We can then drag and drop the file over to Cloudberry Server in the directory where we want it. It'll ask us if we want to copy an item to the directory, and then the upload process will start. Once your file is there, if you want to check, you can click the refresh button, and you'll then be able to find your file inside of Cloudberry Server. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.